old friend, I found your picture today. Have you been shaved by your shackles now? We swore we would change this ugly world when teeth were pure as summer rain. Now I'm unsure of anything. We may never be anything more than what we've endured through tragedy. I have come to terms writing these songs and righting my wrongs with those I've heard. It may take a lifetime for all it's worth. In the past, but yesterday's gone, and destiny calls. Will you come at last? We don't talk much now, not much to say. Still I hold faith, anyhow. 'Cause I've seen the road before you is glory bound. 'Cause I've seen the road before you is glory bound. Hey, old friend, I found your picture today. Have you been shaved by your shackles now? Well, hi there pluckers, I was Sore Fingers again with a song from Benjamin Todd of the Lost Dog Street Band fame called solo effort called Glory Bound from one of his latest solo albums. Okay, I mean standard tuning, no capo, doing it the same key as Benjamin Todd. I think Benjamin Todd obviously finger picks this song. I'm using the pick as usual, so it's a sort of a hybrid version. Okay. So let's get to it. So the introduction starts on a G chord. I'm afraid I have to play it like this, I think, to get the notes in. So my G shape there. So basically hit the bottom E string and strum. Then move pinky up and play the third fret of the second string. Okay, so. And then little pick around and then hit the top E string open. Okay, so it's and then the second on the second string on the third fret again, and then the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings together, emphasising the 2nd string open. So it's okay. Then what we do is this. So I'm now putting my pinky back on that 3rd fret of the 2nd string and strumming the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings. Then taking pinky off and putting the 1st finger on the 1st fret of the 2nd string, playing the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings again. So open, and then the open 2nd string along with the 4th and 3rd strings again if you like. Or you can just play it singly, it's up to you. Okay, and then we go to an A minor and hammer in that 1st finger from open 2nd string to 1st fret. Okay, so now we've got this. Okay, and then we put our, keeping the A minor shape, put our pinky on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string again. Strum. So take the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, strum, then take pinky off and just play it straight, then take that 1st finger off, open up the 2nd string, and then we go to a C chord. Okay, so what we've got now is finally, open 3rd to the 2nd on the 3rd, so this using that 2nd finger. You can either hammer it or just play it singly, like, or just go open 3rd, hammer into 2nd. It's up to you. And then back to the G. Okay, so the whole intro so far. So let's just try again. And then there's just that final bit. So from the G, when you come back to the G, well, you make it into a sort of suspended chord by keeping the bottom E string on the 3rd fret and the top E string on the 3rd fret, okay, keeping those where they are, and then using your 1st finger and the 2nd finger to hammer in an A minor shape, A minor 7th shape, 1st fret of the 2nd string and 2nd fret of the 4th string. So you hammer in those 2 fingers. Okay, so it's, and then pick around the top E string, 2nd string and 3rd string. So you got that? Hammer. Pick around the top 3 strings, okay? So I'm doing a downstroke and hammering in those 2 fingers. Okay? So now the whole intro. So here we go. Then we go into the verse, and the verse is the same chord sequence as what we've just done for the intro. Okay, so coming out of the intro, here we go. Follows the same sort of melody as well. Hey, old friend, I found your picture today. Have you been shaved? Shackles now. So it follows the intro. repeat the whole thing. We swore we would change this ugly world when we were still pure as summer rain. Now I'm unsure of anything. Right, so that last line of the song is, it goes to, and now I'm A minor, unsure, and into the C, stays there for a second, bit of a pause, of anything, and then that usual hammering of that A minor 7th shape. That's all the way through the song, that hammering bit, okay? So you got that, and then the second verse is exactly the same with different words, okay? So let's just go through that first verse again, shall we? For fun, and the intro. Let's do the intro as well, okay? So. Hey old friend, I found your picture today. Have you been shaved? Are your shackles now? We swore we would change this ugly world when we were still pure as summer rain. Now I'm unsure of anything. Okay, and then we're off into the second verse, exactly the same to play, different words. And then we go to the third verse, and that's exactly the same to play, apart from the very end line. Okay, so let's just do the last verse. Okay, so coming out of the second verse. You live in the past, but yesterday's gone, and destiny calls. Will you come at last? 'We don't talk much now, not much to say, but still I hold faith anyhow. 'Cause I have seen the road before you is glory bound. 'Cause I've seen the road before you is glory bound. Okay, so all that is the end line on that third verse is slightly different. Okay, so it comes in, still I hold my faith anyhow. 'Cause I've A minor, seen the road before you is C chord, pause, glory, G down, suspensions. Repeat that line again. 'Cause I've seen the road before you is glory bound. And then just 2 more lines to finish the song, and that's basically the first 2 lines of the first verse. Hey ho, friend, I found your picture today. Have you been shaved by your shackles now? And that's how the song finishes. Well, there we have it, boys and girls. Hopefully that makes sense to you if you're interested in that particular song. Sorry about my singing. It's not anything, nothing like Benjamin Todd, but it's just for reference, okay? So have fun with that, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.